Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. In this video, let us make 3D objects from the 2D shapes. To do that, all we have to do is rotate these 2D shapes. And for that, we will use this motor and the double pop bit, magnetos, the 3V power source and this thin straw. Let's get to it. So let's begin by fixing the motor into the double pop. Now to place it on the fun area, we will use the magnetos. Now we will connect the 3V power source. Now we will fix this thin straw onto the motor. Now when I switch on, you can see that it is wobbling a lot. So what we need to do is, we need to reduce the length of this straw. And then we'll fix it back again. Now it's better. The next step is to fix these blocks onto this straw. Let's start by fixing this rectangle. Now we have fixed the rectangle shape. Now let me switch on the power source. Which 3D shape do you think you will see? Similarly, you can fix the other shapes and also make 3D shapes. In this way, you can make a 3D cylinder by rotating a rectangle. By rotating a semicircle, you can form a hemisphere, and by rotating a triangle, you will be able to form a cone. What more can you do? You can join two 2D shapes to form a new different 3D shape. For example, you can make an ice cream cone. I'll fix the triangle first, and then on top I'll fix the semicircle. Now let's rotate this and watch. Like this, you can try other different combinations also. Thank you.